Tony Pangilinan and Bel Mariano spotted on Sir Gary Valenciano's FB Reels. Bel's reaction on Paolo's baby and Donna's smile on Bel. Aliw na aliw sa baby's lagi. Diyos ko po, the future is so bright. At yung pagtawag ni Donnie Pangilinan ng think kay Bel Mariano talaga sa harap ng Pangilinan at Valenciano family. Legal na legal ang Don Bel, period. The video sequence wherein Donnie points out baby Luch to Bel and then says her excitement to go near is just so loving, and the way they both smile while looking at baby Luch. What a sight. I didn't know that this would just add 50 years to my lifespan. Oh my God.